So, starting recording. Hi, my name is Felipe Hernandez, and my project consists in design this website or blog, Eco Explorer. It was a blog about traveling, and the users could share their experiences about traveling, but it was more focused in the way like in the travels around the world, but in more natural places. So yeah, well, it was a bit difficult project for me actually, because I'm a beginner, and well, actually, it was kind of hard to follow a MVC pattern, so I decided to use other way. Um, so I create like ES files, uh, but I did it like everything in AppDS, and then the ES files I put it here. So so yeah, but the thing is, well, about the chat is included here. You can see here chat is included, and if I sorry, if I speak, I mean, if I write here, it could be shown in the console. Um, well, this is connected here to the login session. For example, if I register, I'm going to register a new user, like I don't know, Lucas, and password. So I register the user, and we upgrade this. Ah, well, I wrote it bad. Look, Luas. So yeah, and then the user can log in the session. Uh, so here I'm logged in. Um, well, and my difficulties here was like I try to use template Tailwinds. Actually, I did all of my design in Tailwinds, CSS. But then when I try to connect to the database or do other stuff, it didn't show the images, and the design collapsed completely. So that's why I decided not to. I had an emergency, so I had to put everything in Bootstrap, but I modify it. So yeah, this should be like different. This should have a different form. Uh, yeah. Um, what else? Well, I create like a common ES file, so I put all this. uh, the reason that why I have a lot of ES files is because this after doing all this in Tailwinds, then I had to create another files. Otherwise, this would collapse. So yeah, that was a problem. But um, so yeah, but talking about like this code, like create like yeah, in the login I use the out function in authentication.js. Created the login page, and I worked a lot on installing this page after I failed to get this as good looking with Tailwind. Uh, this takes name, password, and I tried to match both to the database, and it's successfully. It takes you to landing page. The landing page was also where I got stuck for a while, as I couldn't understand the AES functions to get each user's data displayed properly to the landing page. Uh, and also here, photos can be downloaded in this way. Well, I'm not going to do it now because because of the, I mean, in the interest of time. But yeah, photos can be here uploaded, and then uh, this can be shown here. Yeah, the design was not as I was expecting as well. Um, so yeah, what else? Well, if you see some PHP files here, it was because I tried to use to implement Ajax, but this was not successful. So I still couldn't understand the technology to make it work. So I also couldn't find the time to make this work, even though I wanted to, as I was busy with a lot of debugging and testing with the other areas of the project. Um, yeah, and well, I put all the views here in the app.js. I did everything in this file. Um, yeah, this is where all the backend code is. As I've explained before, I did not use the MVC pattern because it was quite complicated for a 2 weeks project. For a 2 week project, uh, so this is made for me. Made it was easier to do it. So it was easy to see the routes, and debugging when something broke was also easy. Using console logs in between code made it even easier for me to know where exactly the code breaks. Um, so I also use the Nodemon package, Nodemon for hot reloading, and all the routes models controller are in these files, and I have only imported authentication.js for the out in the login and register pages. Having all this result easier for me. And well, the design could be better. I had problems uploading the pictures. I mean, to show the pictures here, but in the interest of time, I just let it like this. Um, but yeah, the challenge was really hard, like doing this in 2 weeks. I don't know. My recommendation would be like I was expecting, for example, the semester that we can work in responsive design. We can work in all the project, like in the middle of the semester, starting working in this part of the project to do it better and construct a solid CSS file that doesn't break with the when we are doing this. I mean, connect all the classes together, like server-side coding, the responsive design, so we can have more time to manage with this, and just in the code lab be focused on the details in the server-side coding part. In personal matters, this is also was a difficult week for me because I have some problems in Chile. My dad got a stroke, and it was really hard. It was really hard to concentrate in this part. I did my best because I really want to. Uh, I really like this topic, and I really wa- want to put all my effort on this, even although this inconvenience that I have in Chile. So yeah, that's pretty much that I have to say.